Hello everyone, my name is Navid and this is Hyperpix. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm back with another 80s text style, which is amazing. And I'm going to show you how you can use this and apply this to your text and your logo without any knowledge of Photoshop. Okay, let's get to this. Right click on the yellow letter and choose Edit Content. And in the new window, I'm going to edit my text. Don't forget to get the font in a separate folder that will be presented to you. So don't worry about that. Okay, I'm going to write whatever I want here. Very good. If you want to, you can also change this, or you can also modify the wave here. Okay, I'm going to put this on default and I'm going to save it. All you got to do is close it. Okay, let's wait for the magic happened. As you can see here, fully detailed. And for the second text, all we gotta do, we're gonna go to turn off the extrusion layer so that we can boost our speed. Let's go to change the other text. I'm gonna double click on it and I'm gonna type whatever I want here. Very easy. As you can see, I can modify the letter spacing or also the size of the text, as you can see. From the top, I'm going to introduce our folders. Adjustment contains a couple of folders. It's the coloring of the design. Now we can change and modify the variables here so that we can get a better look. Depends on you. It just depends on your color theme and however you want them to be. Okay, the second folder is an inner shadow around the work. You can modify the opacity. You can also deactivate it. Next one is noise on and noise off. If you want the noise, go for noise on and get an aesthetic look. I asked my designer to have this. If you don't want this, all you gotta do is to deactivate this and activate noise off. As you can see, it's clean and sharp. Okay, one of these layers has to be on. So like one of these two. But if neither of them, it's not gonna look good. All right, I'm gonna close adjustment. Let's go to sparkles. There are a couple of sparkles, as you can see on my design here. Now you can put this on the edge of your work so it can get a shiny look, and it can resemble a reflective look. Okay, put them where they're supposed to be, but if you don't want them, select the sparkle and delete it. Okay, I'm gonna close this up. Next one is design and Hyperpix production, and you can modify it and change it depending on your own taste. You can also move it around. Okay, next one is glow folder. There's a little bit of a glow around the text. Maybe it's not very visible. You can also activate and deactivate this. Next one is effect. It contains the real look of the text. I just recommend you just skip this one. Next one is this background. There's a smoke, stars, an adjustment layer. Also a background color, which is the basic color of our design here. You can change it and have this however you want. Okay, there is the gradient that starts from the bottom. You can also activate it and deactivate it. Okay, if you're done here, you can activate the extrusion layer and the 3D layer kicks in. If you want to have this transparent, all you gotta do is to deactivate the background layers and also deactivate noise off, deactivate vignette, and also choose noise off, and you'll have this sharp looking transparent logo. You can also apply a logo to this style. All you gotta do, I'm gonna reset this. double click on the yellow layer, or also choose edit content. Okay, I'm gonna import my logo here. Next one is Honda logo here. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna lower the text a little bit. I want the wave to be applied to both of the logo and the text. All you gotta do, I'm going to split the logo and the text. For that, I'm gonna select the upper part. I'm gonna choose Control-Shift-J or Command-Shift-J in Mac. And as you can see here, it's split. Okay, all we gotta do is to right click on the text layer and copy layer style. Okay, I'm done with it. I'm gonna choose both layers and paste the look. Okay, as you can see, wow, it's not working. Now, don't worry about that. Double click on the this and choose pattern and drag it a little bit down. Okay, I want the waves to be a little bit. I'm gonna put scale on 150, and if you have this like more than that, it's not gonna look good. So approximately 150. Okay, let's do the same thing for the Honda text here. As you can see, there it is. I'm gonna put the wave in the middle. As you can see, I think it's good. I'm gonna close it and we'll be almost done, and I'm gonna save it. Let's wait for the design to look. Yeah, as you can see, our 3D style has been applied to this. All we gotta do is to deactivate extrusion layer and customize this design. Okay, I'm gonna lower this text here. Yeah, I'm gonna write whatever I want. I'm gonna write motors here. Okay, I'm gonna put sparkles where they should be. Okay, for that, I recommend you to just have one sparkle and duplicate for the next uses. I'm gonna size it and choose Alt plus drag and put them where they should be, and put it on the highlights of your design. As you can see, very easy, very nice. There it is. Okay, next one there. Okay, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to activate extrusion layer. Final step. Yeah, there it is. 3D style. Very, very, very attractive. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this text style, go to hyperpix.net and get this and hundreds of other text effects that will help you with your next project. And thanks for watching this. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thanks for watching.